Alright, so today we'll be installing Linux Ubuntu and using WSL. So we'll search for features. So turn on Windows features on or off. So first you have to click on this option, Windows Subsystem for Linux, and then you have to select this virtual machine platform, and then you have to click on OK. So it will take some time and search for the required files, and then we'll update the Windows, and then you have to restart your PC. Okay, so now we need to restart our PC. Now I have restarted my PC. So I will just go to Store, Microsoft Store, and here we will install Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is available here. We will search for Ubuntu, this one, and we will go for this first one, and we'll select get. Now it will take some time to download. So it is around 400 MB of download. So currently it is being installed. So now it has been installed, and we'll just click on open. So it will just load in the terminal. Please any key to continue. We'll just press any key, and okay, so we'll press any key to install it, and we'll click on yes. Now it will again start download. This Windows subsystem for Linux is the basic requirement before we can just run our Ubuntu. So currently it is being installed. Okay, so we'll just press any key to exit, and now we'll open it again. And now it has started installing the Ubuntu, that is our main OS. Okay, so I'm installing it for the first time. Now I will just type my username, hit enter, and now it will ask me for password. So 234, and now I'm going to retype this password and hit enter. So now my password is successfully updated and has entered into the interface. Okay, so now let me show you a few basic things. If you want to access your Windows file, so what you will do is cdmnd and hit enter. I'll do a ls. So here it shows C. So I have only one drive here. Let me show you. So I'll go to this PC, and I have a C drive here. So if you have multiple drives, it will show you here. So I will just type cdc. I will do ls. So there are a few permission issues, but you can see a lot of IO files that you can also see in the Explorer. So if I go here and this PC and open the C drive, so these are the same files that I'm seeing here. So if you want to access any of these, you can access them here. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.